Welcome to another new video, guys. Have your fun. Stay safe.
Raz, dwa, trzy, cztery.
President Zelensky insists his country will prevail. Rishi Sunak will lead a minute's silence in the UK to mark the anniversary. And Harry Brook and Joe Root hit centuries for England in the second test in New Zealand. As Ukraine prepares to mark the first anniversary of the Russian invasion, President Volodymyr Zelensky has said he remains confident of victory. He said a vote at the United Nations last night, which overwhelmingly backed a call for Moscow's forces to pull out, was a powerful sign of global support. More than 140 countries voted in favour of a non-binding resolution condemning the war. 32 others abstained, including...
And it will only continue to be consolidated and to be solidified.
In the UK, Rishi Sunak will lead a national minute silence to mark the anniversary and is expected to urge leaders from the G7 group of nations to move faster in providing weapons to Ukraine. Last night, crowds gathered for a vigil in Trafalgar Square in London. These Ukrainian women were there.
My dad is actually a commander of a battalion in Ukraine, and for me it's very important to support him and to show him that we care, and we're very grateful that he's there. My parents are still in Kharkiv and they were there all the time, so I came just to support like my whole country and my parents as well, because they are saying that they are not going to leave their home country because it's their home, and it's so encouraging to see like so many people here.
People convicted of serious crimes could be given longer jail terms if they refuse to attend court when they're sentenced, under plans being considered by the Justice Secretary Dominic Raab. His comments came as a meeting with the family of Sarah Palina, who was murdered.
Hancock.
What?
Very 50 there.
Why did you do that?
Yeah,
Oh, that's right, didn't it? Did you ever on the ball, Rob?
well, I will go first.
What if you couldn't come over?
Don't worry about that, none of us is down there. We'll let you know if I get out, man.
He was coming already.
Hello?